Hello there and welcome to Weekly Tips. Today I want to show you how you can create your own add-in in Excel based on improving a simple shortcut usefulness. Today's shortcut is Ctrl plus open square bracket. It takes you to the precedence of the selected cell just like that. It's very useful when dealing with large files with lots of different worksheets. But one annoying drawback is that by default you don't have a possibility to go back to the original cell. And that's the problem that I'm going to address today. Code, which will reverse mentioned shortcut, is basically a one-liner using Application.Goto method. But it's nice to have some basic error handling. Here, in case of error, I wanted to go to the first worksheet. And if we are creating this macro just for ourselves, it's the end of the line. We can copy it to our personal macro workbook, assign a shortcut and use it in every Excel file. But I want to show you how you can create an add-in, which you can share with your teammates. To create an add-in, first, we can open a new workbook, insert new module and paste our code, or work on existing file. At this stage, we have to assign a shortcut to our macro. Today, I will keep it simple and just use macro options, but there is also a different way. I will use Ctrl plus R. If you want to, you can protect your code with a password. Now we can save the file as Excel add-in using XLM extension. By default, Microsoft Add-ins folder is selected, but we can save it anywhere we want. Keep in mind that, as far as I know, after saving the file as XLM, it is no longer possible to change macro shortcut using macro options. Of course, simple workaround would be to create a new workbook, paste our code, assign a new shortcut and replace existing file. Now we can share our add-in, but to use it we have to add and enable it. It's quite straightforward. First, we have to enable Developer tab. Just right-click on any existing tab and click Customize the ribbon. Then select Developer tab, save Excel add-in file anywhere on your computer, but do not change the location or name of the file afterwards. If you do so, you will have to repeat the next steps. Click Excel add-ins in Developer tab, click Browse, find and select the add-in. Don't forget to check the box. From now on, it will work in every Excel file with Ctrl plus R shortcut. If you would like to switch it off, just uncheck it in Add-ins window. Also, in this case, be sure to double check if it works as mentioned, because as by default, in Excel, Ctrl plus R shortcut take data from the cell on the left from the selected cells and paste it to the selected cell. That's all for today. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.